Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy J-Hen, and I'm coming back to you with its own another Amazon Prime unboxing, you guys. Check the description down below if you want something that you see in this video. Hit the subscribe button if you like to watch unboxing videos, how-to videos. Check out my playlist too, you guys. I got a whole unboxing playlist on the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share. Let's see what's in here. I ordered so much stuff. Have you guys ever ordered some? Oh, I think I know what this is. Have you guys ever ordered so much stuff to where you just sometimes can forget what you ordered? I think this is probably some paper towel holders. I think this is 2 paper towel holders. They got it wrapped tight. And they got that good bubble wrap in here that lets you know they care about the product and they care about how it was gonna get to me. Here you guys go. So this is a 2-in-1 set here. So let's see. We do got the screws that come with it and attachments. So this is a paper towel holder. So you can actually mount this on the wall. It does have the pieces back here to where you can use it to mount up on the wall. And then guess what? You know, you don't have to worry about having one of those keys to open up, to take out the paper towels and reload them. With this one, it's decorative, and you just pretty much take the top off, load the paper towels or the napkins in that way. Real simple. You can store this like in a bedroom, in your laundry room, even in the kitchen, the bathroom. You know, you can just sit it on the use it as a countertop paper towel holder, or like I said, you can mount it up on the wall because it does have those mounts. And the good thing about this is, if you got more than one bathroom, more than one area or place in your business or house you want to put it in, it does come in packs of 2. So really convenient. We're going to put this, we got 4 bathrooms in my house. We're going to use this for 2 of the bathrooms. So there you have it. If you want this, check the description down below.